Hello friends, my name is Ashok Sharma. I am working as a paint trainer for Delhi NCR. Today we are discussing about wood polishes. So firstly we will discuss about the polishes in which we are dealing. We are dealing in touchwood, lacquer, melamine, PU and Emporio PU. And in last, if customer require a color polish, then we are dealing in deco polish. Firstly we will discuss about the touchwood polish. Touchwood polish is the basic polish in which we are dealing. Touchwood polish is available in gloss and matte finishes. It is applied over the surface like previous polish is already touchwood or lacquer, or if the customer is budget conscious and customer doesn't want to spend more money on polish. And if we are discussing about the identification, the heat and scratch resistance of the touchwood polish is not good, and we can easily identify scratches marks on the surfaces. And we will also not apply the touchwood polishes on melamine and other high-end polishes, because in both the polishes we are using different thinner, and if you are applying a touchwood on higher-end polishes, it will not settle properly. So keep this point in your mind in touchwood polish. Secondly, we will discuss about the lacquer polishes. It is the upper polishes than touchwood polishes. It is available only in satin finishes. One point always remember, touchwood and lacquer always applied by hand. We are not using spray machine for applying the touchwood and lacquer polishes. It is clearly identified that lacquer polish is a satin finish, and it is not available in gloss and matte finishes. So keep this point in case of lacquer polishes. Now we are discussing about melamine polish. Melamine polish is applied by using spray gun, and the scratch heat resistivity of melamine polish is good as compared to touchwood and lacquer polishes. But melamine polish is purely an interior polish. We can't apply it over the exterior surfaces, and it is available in gloss and matte finishes. For identification, we can identify that if melamine polish is done and with time it becomes yellowing tone in melamine. So this is the basic point we can identify in melamine polish. So keep this point in case of melamine. If we are discussing about PU and Emporio PU polish, both are high-end polishes. If we are discussing about PU polishes, it doesn't become yellow as we are compared with melamine polish, and it is available in both interior and exterior surfaces. There are different packs for interior and exterior surfaces, and heat and scratch resistivity is very good. If we are discussing about the Emporio PU, it is a higher end polishes than PU, and the heat and scratch resistivity is higher than as compared to the PU polishes, and it is available in gloss, matte, semi gloss, dead matte finishes. This is a higher end polishes. If customer require a luxury finishes, then we guide them for the luxury category for PU and Emporio PU. So keep this point in case of PU and Emporio PU. In last, we are discussing about the deco polishes. Deco polish is color polish. Is customer require a white color polish, black color polish, in that case we will guide them for the deco polishes. It is available in gloss and satin finishes. And for identification, it is clear that color polish is always a deco polishes, and color polish is available in higher end polishes like Emporio polishes. So this is the identification points of the deco polishes. So keep all these points in your mind when we are visiting the wood polishes site, when we are working in company. Thank you.